Plaza Reforma 222, and today is the premiere for Birds of Prey, and I want some tickets for the premiere. So join me, and let's see if we can see Margot Robbie and the rest of the cast. And here we are. This is the premiere, but we still don't know what's going on. And we're gonna try and go register. But we have all of this, and then we have a whole bunch of people, and it's getting nuts. So we have the trucks over here with Birds of Prey. This is in Spanish, so look at that. We got some cool stuff going on. And sorry for the shakiness, but this is gonna be awesome.
Con invitación únicamente, hay que formarse de este lado.
Buenas noches. Gracias. Alright, so we are just waiting for the cast to walk by, and it's going to be insane with all the people here. It's just crazy, the amount of people that just got in here. So just enjoy it and watch.
Sí, Pedro, se ponga ahí. Haga paro.
También dale la tablita, güey.
Y ya estamos listos para nuestra tercera ave de presa. Y está con nosotros y recibamos a con fuerte grito a Mary Elizabeth Winstead, que está aquí.
Así, graba. Graba horizontal, güey. Horizontal.
Güey.
Thank you very much. Me lo firmó.
say. And thank you for coming to see our film, and we hope you love it. And just have fun. Just sit back for the next little while. You can just have a good time, because we had a lot of fun making it, and hopefully you can see that on the screen.
Absolutely. Thank you guys. Thank you we're so excited for you. So excited.
So excited! And sorry we're late.
It's okay. We love you.
If you like the film, tweet us.
Yes.
We want to hear what you think, so let us know what you think afterwards. That'd be great.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the show. Oh, we're gonna get a quick picture. Oh, okay. We're all in it, Wade. We're all in it. Siéntense porque no van a salir todos mejor
Oh my God.
Thank you. I love
you. We just came out of Birds of Prey. Movie was freaking awesome. So I'll get home, I'll edit the video, and then I'll give my critique and what I think about the movie. It was awesome. See you guys on the flip side. All right, so this is the next day. I am tired, my throat hurts, but I wanted to make the video so we can upload this video today. Today's Sunday. So my experience, it was really cool. I got to, see all the stuff. It was funny because we went to the mall first, where the theater is, where the actual movie premiere was going to be at. Whoa, I almost spilled my coffee. And looking at the paper, then I realized, oh shoot, it's not here, because there was no carpet, no decorations, no nothing. So that seemed kind of weird. It was off. So we ran from there onto this other place called General Prim. And that's where the main thing was. And there was a ton of people. And you can see that at the beginning of the video. I'm at the mall, and then I'm walking outside, and that's where this place was gonna. That's where the place was, where the carpet is, the pink carpet. It wasn't red. It was a pink carpet. So it was just chaos. It was not organized as well as you would want to, but it was just chaotic. There was people with tickets. There was people without tickets. There was different like competitions, different events that happened to win the tickets. It was chaos. So finally we get in, and first off, there was a lot of YouTubers that just walked by. I cut it off because they're Hispanic, Mexican YouTubers, and really had nothing to do with Birds of Prey. Cool. I'm not hating on them. It was just, I didn't want to make the video longer with people that were not related to the movie. But very good for them. It was really cool to see these guys, these YouTubers. This one young guy, Navi. He's super popular, and people hate on him. I don't know why, but he's super popular, and he got to walk there. So that's pretty awesome. He's young. He's really young. He does like Funko stuff and a lot of cosplaying. Really cool kid. So a lot of these people walked through, and then as you can see, the three main birds came out. So we have, all right. So we have Margot Robbie. We had Mary Elizabeth Winstead, which is the chick Ramona from Scott Pilgrim, and Journey Smollett-Bell, which is Black Canary. So Margot Robbie, Mary Elizabeth, and Journey Smollett. Who else came out? I think that's the main three that came out. So what's really cool, they were giving her piñatas, sombreros. It was just chaos. There was this camera guy that kept fighting with this one guy next to him because he had a Funko, and it was blocking his camera. But I mean, everybody was getting pushed, and as soon as
Margot Robbie came out, it just got crazy. It was chaos. So then we finished that, and then we looked at the tickets, and it said, "Oh, the premiere is going to be at 8 p.m. at the other mall." So we're like, "Oh crap!" So we take off running, which we didn't need to. Once we got to the theater, that was extremely organized. They scanned the ticket. They gave you the little the badge that you could see, the little sticker. They gave us little baggies where you had to put your cell phone so you didn't record. And then we walked in there, and as you can see, we had the cast come out again. They talked. It was cool. Main Warner Brother guy was there, so he was there. The guy that designed the popcorn bucket was there. Overall, at the theater, it was really organized. It was really cool. We got to be in a big theater, and the movie. So the movie. First off, there is a end credit on the movie, like a little snippet. I don't want to do any spoilers. You don't need to stay for it. It doesn't give you any stuff for our next movie. It's just if you're a fan, if you really liked it, you stay, you watch, you sit there. But it's not necessary, so don't come back and be like, "Hey, Roland, you told me." No, you don't need to stay. Just giving you a hint. But it's fun. The movie is very, very action packed. It's action packed. It's not slow. It reminds me a lot of the chaos from like Deadpool and Deadpool 2, because as you know, Harley Quinn breaks the fourth wall, so she's talking to us, to the fans, to the viewers, and you can see how it transitions. There's no set like timeline. There's no set story at some parts where it's just one directional. She just keeps jumping all over the place, which is a reflection of how her mind works. So she's doing something. Oh, but wait a minute. So she goes back, and that's how she's telling the story, and that's how the movie flows, and it just flows because when you feel that it's going to slow down a little bit, she jumps back, and there's some action, there's some fighting. It's very much a female empowerment movie. I have nothing against that. The movie was great. So I know that like Charlie's Angels was kind of crappy. This is not crappy. This is a very good action-packed fighting scenes. You can see Black Canary just kicks butts. Harley Quinn she's insane. It's crazy. It's really good. It's a good story. Overall, very action-packed, very good story. Acting was good. Soundtrack is amazing. Camera work was really good. The outfits, everything surrounding that was really cool. Incorporation of like hand-drawn cartoons and the film. I enjoyed it a lot. To be honest, I wasn't too excited about it because Birds of Prey, whatever. But bam, they didn't even need to show Joker or Batman. Bruce comes out, but that's a hyena, and everybody knows that. The hyena was cool. The little girl, Cassandra Cain, she did a good job with her paper. At the beginning, you're like kind of, that's weird, but she did a good job. Renee Montoya, her character, she did a good job. Huntress was kind of weird, but that's her character. Funny. The movie was funny. Huntress was funny, and even though it doesn't seem like it was a funny character, she was really funny. Obviously, Harley Quinn is just hilarious, and the whole thing, the whole breaking up from that nasty relationship. It was cool. I laughed a lot. It was entertaining. It was chaotic, but yeah, absolutely. Go watch it. So I just want to give a big thanks to my friend Pablo. He's the one that hooked us up with the tickets. The Warner Brother guy, he was really cool. So yeah, remember guy, it's Rufus, not Takis. Margot and the whole cast. It was awesome for them to show up at the premiere at the theater. They didn't probably need to do that, but that was a really cool thing they did. So I just want to give thanks to all of them. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please think about subscribing and support the channel. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. Go watch the movie. It was really good. You'll enjoy it. I don't guarantee it, but you will probably enjoy it. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.